What went wrong for Belgium in the quarterfinals against Spain? Lots of things have been said, but let's settle the discussion once and for all. We had made tests and run scenarios to see which Belgian players had the most impact on their chances of winning. When Yuri Tielemans got injured during warm-up, our chances actually already went down with 5%, which is a lot. And when we had to miss Thibaut Courtois due to an injury, the chances dropped by another 7%. It's true that De Bruyne, who got changed, and the fact that Onana was not there definitely had an impact, but Tielemans and Courtois were the game changers. Once they weren't there anymore, it was a close tie where we were at 46% and getting into a situation whereby it was almost inevitable that Spain would prevail.